Alright guys, so I'm back from the Craftsman launch event, and I gotta say, when I was invited to this, I was hesitant because, I mean, you know, Sears going kaput, the brand just seemed to be dying, but Stanley Black and Decker actually bought the Craftsman brand, and it's clear they've been hard at work. They got 1,200 new tools coming out. Whole new line for everything, including lawn stuff, which is why I was there. I mean, don't get me wrong, I played with the you know, the cordless electric sander, and I was just like, I need me one of these. I hate using the sanders with the cords, but the tools for the lawn stuff was fun. I got to actually race a lawn tractor, and man, it was a lot faster than I expected. It's using hydros instead of whatever the other ones use, so it's super responsive. And so I'll put the clip in, but you can hear the tires squealing and everything, because if you drive like me, when you're in race mode, you go fast immediately. So I was gunning it and then going straight into reverse, and it was just a lot of fun.
All right, Tim also has 30 seconds to drive around all these points. Go when you're ready. Here we go. Nice work. Just going in some of the tight areas. Wonder if the points are more over there. My guess is that it is. Otherwise, why would he be doing that? Because you got to stop, you got to back up. Yeah, more points. Different strategy. Remember, type down below who you think's gonna win. Is he done? All right, you're done, sir. 1,300. Tim's our winner.
And then the turn radius, I actually went to Lowe's when I got back to compare, because, you know, when you get the marketing mumbo jumbo and you think, oh yeah, turn radius is this or whatever, and but they were actually right. The other mowers there, you can't turn as sharp as this new mower they're bringing out. It's not available yet. I went to Lowe's to check because they said they got the Craftsman stuff at Lowe's and Ace Hardware. I went to both. Lowe's seems to be unloading some of the new stuff, because I saw a lot of the metal cabinets out, but no lawn stuff yet, no battery power tools, all that. And then Ace Hardware seems to have the old line, at least the one at me. So this stuff will be coming out sometime in the fall. I don't know exactly when, but it's good improvement. The quality of the tools were great. The lawnmower, they got an electric lawnmower, they've got the gas lawnmower, and then what they got, a electric start mower, but it uses the same battery pack your tools use. So you just, you know, you got one battery that fits everything, and you don't have to go find any batteries when your mower dies, because I've heard a lot of people complain that when they get the electric start mowers, they end up you know, having to replace the battery dies at the beginning of the year over the winter. And so it's just neat little things like that that make a difference. We got a train going by. I like the flowers. That's an experiment coming. I'm killing everything in that square, and I got an experiment coming, so that's on purpose. But the flowers are looking nice. Another cool thing that I saw was most of the tools, including the electric trimmer, and they got hedge clippers coming, all sorts of lawn stuff. But then even your hand tools, they all have little clips that go into their VersaTrack system. So organizational wise, it looks cool. And then, as I did just mention, they got the trimmer. I played with that. They got this blower that they got a mini blower, which is great for around the shop, but I feel like for a lot of older folks who just want to blow like stuff off their little sidewalks and not really do any big lifting, that'll be great for a lot of people, because I know I've got neighbors down the street who pull out a big blower and they're cleaning up the sidewalk, making it, you know, it's just lightweight stuff, but this thing packs a big punch, uses the same battery as the other power tools. So a lot of cool stuff coming. We'll see, you know, if they send me products to show you guys more in detailed. But it was really fun. I saw Brian, and Blake there. So Brian from Brian's Lawn Maintenance, Brian from Top Notch, and Blake from B&B Lawn Care. We had some fun. I met a ton of other woodworking type guys, mechanics. They had these, I mean, Craftsman's been a brand for mechanics for a while, so they had a lot of car themed stuff, which was neat. Not my thing, but like I enjoyed it. It was fun. So yeah, it was a really great event. They really did a lot for this event, so they're really trying to show that the Craftsman brand is nothing like you've seen before, and so I think it's going to do well. I know a lot of people have been sending me messages, asking me questions, and they're excited, and they haven't even seen the new products yet, so it's cool. Like even the little ratchet wrenches, they improved those. Just light little things that, to me, as just a homeowner, do-it-yourselfer guy, I wouldn't really understand the difference, but then you play with it and you're like, yeah, this feels a lot better. So it's cool stuff. I'm excited to see what happens with that. I am excited to be home, but it's so humid out, so it was nice hanging out in a 5-star hotel, which I'd never been in before. So come on, I'm a low-key guy. I don't do anything fancy, so having a TV in the mirror in my hotel room, pretty cool. Not that that has anything to do with the Craftsman tools, but yeah, it was really fun. So if you guys have questions, post them. I'll try to insert as much photos and video clips and stuff into this video, and then of course I'll have more once I have more stuff to talk about. Yeah, this shot, I'm really liking it. My wife's flowers are looking great. Apparently in a month is when they're supposed to look the best, so they're just gonna keep looking better and better. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.